morning students, this is Srikanth. Last class we are discussed methods of charging. Today we are going to discuss what is electricity. See here what I shown here. Exactly what is electricity? See here, electricity is a form of energy that can be easily changed to many other forms. See here, it can also be defined as flow of electrons in a circuit. See here, due to this electricity, there is a energy. Because of this energy, these many applications are running here. See here, center figure is what here? Electricity. So many applications, known applications are run by this electricity. So this electricity act as a like here energy. How this electricity act as a energy and these many applications are running? See here, we'll come to know. See here, next slide. See here, how it is getting energy? See here, energy here because of electric current. Because of electric current. So first we should know about electric current. Then this electric current only here the key role playing as a energy in electricity. So because of this electric current, we are getting as a, this is converting as a what here? Energy. So first we should know about very important thing is what here? Electric current. See here, what is electric current? It is the rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor. So many times we discussed that conductor, insulator and semiconductor. Conductor conducts the electricity, insulator opposes the electricity. So semiconductor is the medium characteristics between conductor and insulator. See here, the rate of flow of charge. See, why he is saying the rate, which rate the flow of electric charge. See, conductor, so we have a gold is also a conductor, copper is also a conductor. The rate of flow of electric charge gold is different, the rate of flow of electric charge iron is different, the rate of flow of electric charge copper is different. Do you understood all these things here? Iron, copper, at the same time gold is different. The rate of, that's why they said rate, which rate it will flow. So some gold is compared to very good conductor compared to what here? Copper and iron. So that's why here the rate of flow of electric charge. The rate of flow of electric charge. Electric charge again it what is it means here? Electrons through a conductor. So that's why current is defined I equal to, so rate of flow. So rate means always you remember you are calculating with certain time period. So Q means here charge. Charge flows in certain time. See, charge by time means charge flows in certain time. That will gives you current here. I equal to Q by T. See here, last class we have discussed that. So Q equal to NE by T. So NE by T here. So NE is what here? It is which is integral multiple of E, where I stands for current we know. Here NE means what here? So NE is the what here? Basic elementary charge. E is the basic elementary charge. N is the suppose integer here. Suppose 1E, 2E, 3E, 4E. So we cannot calculate elementary charges like a fraction. So NE it is, see here, that is called quantization. So quantization will be here only 1E, 2E, 3E. Last class we had discussed this is always charge will be calculated integral multiples of E, elementary charge. Elementary charge multiply with 1, elementary charge multiply with 2, 2E, 3E, 4E. So it won't be like a fraction. So I equal to NE by T. So which is very useful for solving the problems. It is a scalar quantity. Scalar means what here? Which doesn't have any direction. So vector means both magnitude and direction. Scalar means only magnitude. Magnitude means how much? Quantity we are taking. So it is a scalar quantity. It is a quantity measurement, that is magnitude only, no direction at all. So electric current doesn't have any direction. The SI unit is coulomb per second. SI is coulomb per second. Charge is what here? Coulombs. Time is what here? Seconds. So coulomb per seconds. Otherwise we can say combination coulomb per second is another name is what given here, amperes. Very important. So current units are what here, amperes, otherwise coulomb per second. So which instrument is measuring the current here? Ammeter. Which instrument is measuring current here? Ammeter. So voltmeter is measuring the voltage. So ammeter is measuring the what? Current. Very important these things here. Its direction is taken to opposite to flow of electrons. So what is the direction of electric current? So we are taking, see here, opposite to the electrons. Why it is opposite to the electrons here? So why it is? Because of potential difference. See here, in olden days, see, because of potential difference. So potential, you should know the concept of potential difference, then you will understand why the current is flowing, current direction is flowing opposite to the flow of electrons. Why here? See here. So the potential difference is what here? It flows as a result of potential difference across the ends of a conductor. So current direction is defined higher potential to lower potential, that is positive to the negative, see here. So but all electrons flow will be, see here, I told you previous slides also. So always there is no any positive charge can move, only negative charges will move. Here, see here in the diagram here. So negative charges are moving here towards here positive charge, but current direction is defined. Okay, so according to the basic example, suppose potential difference means difference between the two potentials. One potential is positive potential, another potential is negative potential. There is a difference. Positive considered as a higher potential, negative considered as a lower potential. So current direction is defined here higher potential to lower potential. So we are assumed that current direction is from higher potential to lower potential, and that too, see here in basic example, suppose a bucket full of bucket of water, another bucket is empty. If you connect any connection through pipe, so full bucket of water to empty bucket, what will happen? This full bucket of water the water will goes from one bucket to the empty bucket here. So how you are defined? This is what the basic examples here also taken here, the higher potential to lower potential. So see here, the current direction we are defined that higher potential to lower potential, but I told you that electrons will move always from negative to positive charge, or anywhere here electrons only will move, positive charges will not move. That's why here, so current direction is opposite to what here? Opposite to electrons flow. See here, next very important thing here, electric field. What is electric field? See here, it is the three-dimensional space around a charge in which the force of attraction or repulse can be felt. Suppose there is a charged body in which it will experience some force here. Okay, see here, servicing wires are there in our streets. It is like some electricity passing through those servicing wires. So in 1 feet, nearly 1 feet, or see here, so there is that servicing wires will experience some force. In rainy seasons it will experience more force here. If you put our hand very nearer to that servicing wires, we may get shocked, because there is a electric field in all the directions. We have 3 directions, x, y, z, that is, see here, 3-dimensional space. If you put your hand, you will get shocked, because it will experience some force of attraction or repulsion. So electric field intensity, how much the field will be created around any charged body. See here, that electric field intensity, see, it is the force experienced by a unit positive charge. See, if it is a more than unit positive charge, it will experience more force. That is what the intensity here depends upon the how much quantity of charge you are taking, the unit positive charge you are taking here. So the around which magnetic field is created. So if you are taking a bulk of amount here, so what will happen? The more repulsive attraction force will be created. around the charged body. So electric field is what? How the electric field is generated here? Based on the charged body. It will create its surroundings. It will experience some force or attraction surroundings. That is called electric field. So how much electric field here? Basic thing is defining here unity positive charge when placed in a magnetic field. So the force experienced by a unit positive charge when placed in a magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field, see here, it is denoted by E, and the SI unit is here Newton per Coulomb. It is a vector quantity. Electric field has a direction. Electric field has a direction and magnitude also. So one thing here, when I placed in a magnetic field, you know one thing, magnetic field. So you will come to know coming classes here. So when we are discussing about a generator or motor, what is the importance of magnetic field, and charges are placed in the magnetic field, the whole concept will come to know that this point will be highlighted in generator and motor here. See here, if you are placing, see simple any, see here simple here, any charge uncharged body like a metal only, if you are placing magnetic field, it just attract here much more, it will not experience a force here, just it will attract here. If you are placing a unit positive charge in a magnetic field, how the force will be here experienced, that is called here electric field intensity. You'll come to know more clearly this one. See here. Okay, students, we'll discuss next class electric potential and potential difference. Thank you, students. If you are not understood any topic, please raise a question. Okay, please note down these topics. Thank you, students.